You've never seen this kind of fabric, because I just invented it. I am Danit Peleg, and for the past decade I've been developing a new concept: 3D printed textiles that are soft and wearable. Using only a simple 3D printer and an AI textile software I vibe coded myself, I can now take any sewing pattern, convert it into a code, and from there into a 3D printable file in seconds. From a prompt to a dress, a skirt, a top. The garments are digital files, so I can literally text you a jacket made to your size. But there was a problem with 3D printed fashion. There was no other way but to print with plastic. So I started looking for better materials. Ones that are bio-based and that have zero microplastics. Then I found this amazing raw material made from algae, hemp, and castor oil. I turned it into a filament for 3D printing. And the moment I tried to print with it, it worked. I knew I was onto something special. With my AI tools, 3D printed fashion using bio-based materials is not just a vision anymore. And now I can do it at scale. I print the exact shape needed. On demand, no waste, no inventory, made to measure. Using this workflow, I can turn any creative idea into real fashion items. Would you wear 3D printed fashion?